Go for it.
Okay.
Recording.
Oh, cool. Oh, but you can introduce it while I find the document.
Well, I do the other meeting. I thought this was your
your
meeting that you lead.
Yeah, no. Usually the meeting is led by Ryan and Cesar or Debbie, one of them. But
Okay.
Something is happening, John. I cannot share my screen. It's like blocked or something.
I don't think
I
I am
put the minutes link there.
Okay.
Yeah, I've got the meeting minutes ready.
Me too, and I can't get to it. It says, Emily, can you try it?
Share, you mean share screen?
Yeah, can you try it? For some reason, I can't.
Yeah, okay.
While we're doing that, let me just do a quick intro here. Welcome to the, okay, I see the sharing. Welcome to the June 22nd iteration of the MicroProfile marketing meeting. And let's see, it is Emily and Amelia's responsibility to take shared notes because there's only 3 of us and mine.
Be quick.
Yeah,
So,
okay.
The screen you are showing, you are seeing is the minutes, right?
Yes.
That is
good.
the correct one. Yep. For some reason, I cannot share it, but my computer was at 10%, so I just charged it. So
okay.
Sorry. Okay, so Emily, are you okay to share it in this call?
Yeah.
Okay, so in this call, what we usually do is go to the repo inventory of marketing MicroProfile, and there are that's it. Thank you. And then we see first if there is anything that we missed in the last week or so. Everything else has been tackled directly below, saying close, close, close. There is a ticket that is about Emily and Ryan. We talked about it 2 weeks ago. Emily, do you want to take ahead of this? Because last time we went really quickly and I brought it back. I closed it by mistake. My apologies for that, but I brought it back.
Yeah, that's fine. I was looking for it. I couldn't find it last time. I realized you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
225. So where is it here, right?
Yes. So let's pull it back in and see if there is any updates. As of Friday, didn't see any updates on this. But
I haven't looked at this one, so you guys are scrolling. You want to give me like a 10-second overview? Literally 10 seconds?
Yeah. So basically, this feedback came up very frequently in the past conferences. People talk to me regarding the usability of MicroProfile .io, these web pages, saying I'm using for example, is using MicroProfile 3.2. And then where is the specification for the included specs? You know, is the MicroProfile 3.2 to include the config 103 and fault tolerance version 2.1, and then it's very soon we will lose lose a link on which version, which the individual version is included in the umbrella release. For example, I have a customer using MicroProfile 3.3, having a problem with the config. And the immediate thing is, okay, I need to find out the spec, the config spec. I have no way to find out which link to click to directly link to demonstrate or display the spec, right? It's because all the information scattered around, there's no correlation. So we need to have a kind of chain them up. You click on MicroProfile 3.3, and there's for example, this is a web page. I'm thinking you have listed all the specific MicroProfile.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm familiar with the with the issue now.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Yeah, this was discussed, I can't remember where else, but yeah, okay.
Yeah, it was discussed 2 weeks ago in the community call, and we agreed that we will move forward without adjusting current page projects and just create something that will allow for the specifications to live in, and that is an easy execution for now, because it will, Emily, are you okay to lead this effort? Because we have the tickets, and Ryan is okay to work with you on this, because it's easier than modifying the project phase. The project phase we have to terminate because it's not written in Java, and we need to make a new one, but that is like a whole other deal that we're not willing to invest time on right now. So this will be the quick fix that is actually scalable.
Right. Yeah. So basically, I can. The main thing is I need to Ryan to design something for me.
Yes.
Yeah.
And that was approved 2 weeks ago. So following these tickets, just remind him, because after that call, neither of you connected or did anything in the tickets. I am the last one, and that was 14 days ago. So there, you know, he has been approved to work on this with you on that call. That was a community call. So just work on it. And I think neither you two estimated how long will it take, but one of the tasks that I will request or ask is, can we figure out how long a soft deadline, because every single time there is something open, I don't trust it. So we need to know estimates. What are the estimates? How long will it take, right? For this to complete. And then, you know, the minimum parameters. We don't want something perfect. We want something workable. About these tickets, this we learned while we were working on the white paper write-up with Lars and Marcus Isel. And we noticed that we needed to do this page back when 2 years ago, but we never got around it. So Emily, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is really this is something I'm really passionate about.
Emily, in the follow-up, please also say, let's figure out a deadline for the two of us to bring to, you know, like, if you don't have the deadline, it will never get done. So we need to prioritize it. And that means that you are the project manager, imagine. And then you're like, what is the deadline we can work on? And agree, both of us, to on, right? And like, after you have talked, just like, let us know. It's clear, it's open. And if you can just add, do you want me to add the tickets?
I think it's since we are having a call tomorrow, it would be quite nice, like say, okay, 2 weeks. And then it's like...
it's not going to work. It's not going to work because Ryan is in PTO. You missed this part. He's in PTO, so he's not going to join tomorrow. So this is, I'm asking you, work and the ticket. Like right now, it's perfect because you can ask, how long can we think this could work? Don't send 2 weeks when someone is not there. It's disrespectful. So just say, how long do you think this will take? And since he was approved 2 weeks ago, this is just perfect.
Okay.
So, yeah. Emilia, you're okay to add the ticket to the minutes under the working in progress?
Yeah.
This is wonderful.
Right. Yes. Okay. So is today, this is agenda. The minutes, right? Is today's agenda.
Yes, you need to add yourself, and under marketing repo below the link, just add anything that has not been completed. Like, do you see the link that says issues?
Yeah. Oh, issues. Issues.
Yeah. So
session.
The tickets completed as well, but do it above. Marketing repo inventory. No, that is completed. On the repo inventory.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, let's do it above. And you know what it needs to happen? We need to copy paste also the name of the tickets. I just copy paste like I did myself. Do you see that?
Okay.
So then I know what tickets we're working on.
Okay. Done that.
Yeah. There. I see checking the minutes right now. Okay. Emily, anything else on these tickets? That you know, I think we talk a lot, but anything else?
I think this is good to get started. I think once Ryan check in, and then it's kind of more thing might pop up, and then we can continue the conversation. Yeah, offline or something like that. Well, how best to get hold of the Ryan? When will he be back?
Thursday.
Thursday this week. How best to I mean, get in touch with him via Slack or?
Yeah, so you get in touch with him via the Git, and he will
reply.
When,
okay.
Yeah,
he
Git.
will look at the Git. Okay.
Yes, he looks at the Gits. Yes.
Okay.
As soon as he's able, and even when he is in PTO, sometimes it's like 1 or 2 hours. He just prefers not to be overwhelmed by emails. Okay. He might reply sooner than that, but don't expect him to start work before Thursday.
Okay. Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Right. Perfect. John, do we go back into the repo inventory so that we can do the rundown? Ryan wrote a bunch of the tickets that he closed in the last week that are easy to do.
Well, I still have, there's one issue I want to point out in the inventory.
See, tell me, can we go back? Emily, can you click on the issues, the main page? Thank you.
And this one is yours, Amelia. We still need a quote for the prospectus doc. Okay,
we have not provided you with the quotes. Okay, nope. That's fine. Okay, you know what? I would put it on my task. Okay, I will get it done. Give me a deadline. I will say I will give it to you by Thursday.
That's fine.
Okay, perfect. I will write here in the tickets. This one cannot wait, right? Like,
yeah, because this is the thing I'm using for prospective members to the working group. So yeah, the sooner the better.
Okay, I will get it done actually today.
All right.
Yeah, all right. That would be quite cool because tomorrow you can yeah.
Okay, so then you can say this forward. Okay, you're talking with David at 1, so it might be happening after that, but you will get it before the community call tomorrow. Okay. I thought this was completed already, so sorry.
No problem. Yeah, in fact, I didn't close. I just closed the IBM ticket because Kevin worked with Ian to get that one in. So I forgot to close it. Yeah, he did that a while ago. I just didn't close the ticket. So.
Okay, so then let's add it to this minutes, and then add this one, like Emily. Amelia will tackle it before tomorrow's call because I will own it. I thought we had it and we had given it to you a month ago. So I'm sorry.
Well, I thought you were gonna. Maybe you did via email. I thought you were gonna edit the deck directly.
I did. I checked at the deck and then I didn't think it was being used. So do you see what it is? I didn't think it was being used, but I did think that we provided the quotes back when you brought it up. And do you see what I mean? We just totally not synced. If I know that you are using it to get to at least 5 members, then I would have prioritized it. It's just that I didn't understand, and it's my bad.
That's
I should have asked.
No, don't worry about it. It's not that big a deal.
Yeah. That's good. Okay. Like, you're using it incomplete. It makes no sense.
Yeah. Okay. If you want to go back to the marketing repo, the minutes, thank you. So if you look under the marketing tickets completed, I added the one from Kevin. Like I said, it's been done for a while. I don't know what sessions means.
No, sessions mean. The sessions means Ryan has one level under this that says sessions means people that microprofilers that are speakers. We have many of those.
Oh, okay.
So then he decided to create something under sessions, and then I immediately before this call just said copy paste and add it, but it's not under sessions. My thing is about working adding as a content contributor, which is not sessions. I just didn't see the point on. He didn't want to say sessions and copy paste. So he just generalized because he's a PTO.
Right.
I guess. Yeah. So we can do like this. Like this, John, what do you think? Totally different? Because I don't think this one says all the names. If you can copy paste the request, like why the ticket exists, that suffices in my book. Do you see what I mean?
No, I'm not sure what you mean.
I mean, when I copy paste the tickets, I didn't
Right.
want to write a new section that says contributors for WordPress because we don't have many. So I did copy paste, but I wrote the title of the tickets.
Oh,
Ryan,
yeah.
Ryan didn't want to copy paste. He said, these are sessions, different sessions.
No, I see what you're saying.
Do you see what I mean? He was very efficient. And because this happens so often, and that is what he wants to do later for the future. Those ones that close tickets here and there, just can do like copy paste suffices.
No,
right?
I got it.
Yep.
I'm a little slow today, I guess. Here.
Oh, it's Monday. And you were on Father's Day. I mean, seriously.
I'm hoping this keeps the URL there.
Yeah. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put on there below Emily's ticket, my ticket, the Tommy Try ticket, and I will own it so it can be like, let me really quickly add it.
Got it there.
Let me find it.
Excuse me, stretch.
Let's see.
All right, Debbie joined the call as well.
Okay, that's great. So let me see.
Sorry, I'm late.
Oh, hola, Debbie.
Hi, Debbie.
I am writing my ticket. Debbie, we're catching up with the MicroProfile marketing repo. Emily is nice enough to share today the minutes. I was having some issues, and the call is being recorded.
Great. I have to update my own calendar invite. It took me a while to figure out how to get here because I have the Blue Jeans link still on my calendar, so I had to go in search of the Zoom.
It should be the MicroProfile calendar too. Yeah, you might be able.
Sorry, I was just gonna say I think that's where I ended up finding it because I have 3 invites on my own calendar, but they're all to the Blue Jeans. I'm like, this is not working.
You know, I got 2. I didn't check.
We need to clean that up. I noticed that too. I went into the wrong one this morning too. There is a Blue Jeans. We need to terminate that, John, and that is from Red Hat Blue Jeans. That is still on.
But but that should only be in. Well, let's just add as a ticket. We don't have to discuss it now. I'll look into it.
Yeah.
Let's just stick it in the notes. Let's see here. I actually don't think it's in the calendar
anymore.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
I have it.
I
have it in a calendar with even what I have in my calendar is like even Mike Milinkovic is added to that invite, the one that I have in my calendar. So it's a really old one. I don't think we will be able to delete it because we are not the ones that created this. It was created by Cesar.
I was able to get the information from a MicroProfile calendar.
Yeah, I do that too. But I have another one that I can see why Debbie has issues. This one has individual people added, and it was created by John. No, it was created by Teresa. That was like 4 years ago. So clearly, we cannot delete it. It's not in the calendar. Debbie, you know what? Unsubscribe of that event.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, unsubscribe and you will be okay. Because there is no way we can clean it. It's just on your personal calendar. We don't. If it's not in the MicroProfile formal calendar, we don't need to fix it. But thanks for letting us know.
It is listed as Zoom in the MicroProfile calendar. There is no second meeting for Blue Jeans.
Yes, confirm. It's only like the private, the ones that we say accept from the past 4 years. So let's clean that in your calendar, Debbie. I will do the same in my calendar, and then it will be fine. Thanks for pointing that out.
Yeah, I meant to mention it last week because It happened to me last week too, but last week I did have, that's where I found it. I did have the Eclipse Zoom one last week, but this week I have 3 and they're all for Blue Jeans, but I'll figure it out on my calendar.
Perfect. Just like clean it and let us know if submit an issue if you continue to have problems. But the calendar is fine. What is in your email, Emily? Careful. Your kid is so cute. Sorry.
Yeah, we see your email window right now.
Yeah, so we need to
yeah, go back to your browser.
Yeah, go back to the browser.
I'll see if I can delete that aspect before I post the video up.
Okay, that would be wonderful because it's like emails and names, and we don't do that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Any other tickets? Last time, 2 weeks ago, we went through all the tickets. Debbie, you were going to do something with your filters to make sure that at least you were aware of the incoming new tickets.
Yeah, I'm seeing them. There's a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
I do see them come in. It's more of a, what do I do with them when I see them? But yeah, I saw we had a couple of new contributors and I saw your replies to them.
Yeah, I want to talk about something here, the request for this new MicroProfile contributor under WordPress. It was very nice because it's someone that is posting good content on behalf of IBM and his peers. And one of the things that he is new into MicroProfile, he didn't know about this, even though we have a push every other week or every week as a reminder that you can add any content to MicroProfile blog, cross-post or original content. And then he contacted me over Twitter private because he wasn't sure. So I reshared the guidelines. And one of the coolest things is that since I do not know much about this, can I share the email via this channel? And then I said, yes, you can share or not, public or not, anything you want that will enable you to contribute to MicroProfile. And then he was added, we closed the ticket, and then his feedback was he really likes MicroProfile because we're that flexible. The ecosystem is very flexible. So this is a very good feedback for someone that is new into discovering how all the activities that anyone can participate or choose to participate. So it's good for us. And these reminders that are going every week and that are through the year are very effective on those kind of conversations because we don't start from zero. Everything is there and it's just, should they need a clarification and they are not able to attend this call or the community call or send a note to the forum, some of us are a little bit reachable. And if it takes you 1 minute, it is okay to reply via private. So that's my feedback on that ticket that I found interesting and fun. Did I lose? Did you hear me? Did I lose everyone?
Yeah, I'm nodding, but realized I don't have my camera on, so you didn't see me.
Okay, no, it's totally. I see it. Do you know, John, do you have any updates about any of the other tickets aside from the one for Tommy Tribe quotes that we will provide to you? Anything else that needs to be tackled?
I do not.
Okay. Anything else? We have 11 tickets open under the repo, and they are mostly for the working charter. One is on Emily and Ryan, but it's a pretty healthy number. Sometimes we have 30, 40, and right now it's like a really good number. I mean, there is an effective way to keep up with the repo so that it doesn't go unseen. Yeah, thanks, Emily.
No problem.
Mm-hmm. This thing about update MicroProfile to be developer focused, this is related also to what Emily, the other ticket, both of them are pretty much combined. One will fix a little bit the other one. If we check that one by Andy, can you click it? He has the same feedback we had with the white paper. So my feedback would be if we wanted extra eyes on the technical side, Andy is a developer. We should put him in, copy these tickets into the current tickets that we have about the page, Emily, and then ask him if he would like to participate, collaborate. He doesn't have to, but that would be super nice because this is similar to what we will push forward with the latest layout of MicroProfile IO on the technical side.
Yeah, it looks like Andy offered his help is kind of to ask Ryan. He said, need some time go over this one. Happy to contribute. So I think maybe it's kind of when Ryan is back, and Ryan, Andy, and I can have a call together, separate call. Maybe kind of go through this one and my one. So anyway, this is all kind of the trying to propose some change to the current MicroProfile.io. Maybe kind of Ryan can offer some like templates or something like that, or some design, draft design, trying to cover both tickets.
So the thing with Andy, and if I remember this ticket because it was done last July, or it was submitted last summer, is that he thought that anyone will be able to have access to WordPress to change their website, and that is not the case. MicroProfile website is not fully open source. There are some sections like blog, contributors is fully automatic, but blog needs a WordPress editor. And there are a few things about the main page that need to be, needs a person to make automatic. So what we explained back then in a call, in a community call, is that we don't give admin access to change or delete MicroProfile.io. What we do is use this channel, that means the repo, to send suggestions on how we can work. So for example, Emily, you said, hey, how about X? And then we can, if it's doable, because it will fix something that it needs fixing, we immediately do it together. But the access to WordPress as an admin, we have it under lock and key, and there is everyone that is an admin is listed under the inventory that is publicly available in the drive, right? So Andy got that, and my suggestion is, please add these tickets with him to the current ticket and say, hey, Andy, I know you also wanted to do some future development that is to improve the website. I am working on it too. How about we unite? Maybe you have things in common. He wants the MicroProfile.io to be more technically friendly, and that means that you and him are apart and have the most important thing in common. You are worried about your users and the consumers. He wants to worry about the developers, but that means you are understanding the users. So it's one and the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he doesn't have to join the call, but you see, oh, you need to copy his thing is Phil. It's not that one.
Keep it untrue.
There. Eddie, Debbie, and John, do you understand that ticket reminder that we are going through right now?
I think so.
Yeah, that was a very long ticket that we cannot close yet. I know. We cleaned it last week and we're like, nope, that is not what we do. Not with the person there.
Okay, I left a message for Ryan when he's back, and then we can, when his comment and etc., we can set up a call with Andy, Ryan, and me, and trying to see like the future design, how to improve the MicroProfile.io and etc. etc.
Yeah. Sounds amazing. All right, from my side, we have tackled the 2 tickets on the inventory, 3 tickets that are a go. Anything else? I think this call is going to be shorter, right, John? You're silent. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good.
Mm-hmm. Debbie, Emily, is there anything else pending?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, I think I'm done.
All right. Debbie, are you okay also?
Yeah, I mean, I don't have anything to add today.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, I'll post a recording later.
All right, that sounds excellent. Thanks, everyone. I will post the link of these minutes to tomorrow's, to right now. I will post it right now to the MicroProfile community call. So just for warning. Oh, someone is doing it maybe already, which is great. All right.
All right, thank you.
We're good. Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Have a good day.
You too. Bye.